Welcome again from Greece. Today here is almost 9 o'clock and this is an amazing day to make a video, and I have here an old school Honda. This is a 1996 AJ6 I think, AJ or F5, the Civic Coupe. This car has normally 1.6 liter with 150 horsepower, but today is the first time I will make a review and I will make a test drive with a almost very good tuned car, and this is this Honda. I will show you. It's tuned by the guy here who has the car. Make it yes, open, yes, okay. And the car is no more naturally aspirated, but as we will see now here. Give me 1 minute. Yes, here. As you can see, the car is modified with turbo and it puts out almost 350 horsepower with this light car. You can see also the brakes, and like I mentioned, I will be a little hairy, and let's drive the car because the sun is down and we don't have good visibility. So enjoy the ride, guys. Wow. As you can see here, the guy has everything what you need. You can information, because this is a for this 1.6 liter engine, this is a very heavy tuned car, and like I told you before, it's the first time I drive in my channel and also the first time I drive this car, so I will be careful because this is the first time, like I mentioned. Let's see. I don't know the car. I don't know where is the turbo. I don't know where is the power of the car, but we will find this when I drive the car. I have now second gear, third gear. I will wait a little. I don't want to. So excuse me for doing this, but I want, as you can see here in Greece, we have free water. So now we are free. I have third gear. I don't know where is the So I hope you can hear the turbo. It comes almost 5,000. You can hear the spool of the turbo. You must hold the steering wheel very well, because it has no traction. Too much power for the front wheels. I don't know the car so well, so when I must make 1, 2, 3 times to see where is it ideal to change the gear, you know. Here at 4,000, as you can see, this is not the problem, but this is the lag. When you have a big turbo, you are very, how can I say, very dead in the low RPMs, but on the high RPMs, wow, the car is really... Now I will have I will have the opportunity to, we have a free street here to do some